What if quantum computing wasn't limited to labs or hardware? Introducing PakTron AI Quantum Lab. PakTron, one of the top-tier frameworks in the world. Students from master's to bachelor's, university college to high school, all can use PakTron, including teachers, professors, and educators. The fun fact is that students and kids from playgroup to middle school to higher grades can also learn basic simulation to be a quantum smarty pants and future quantum rising star, and go beyond with our AI assistant systems specially designed for schools and institutions to implement right away. AI-powered quantum simulation for every scientist, from biology to chemistry to physics to finance to cosmology, and all advanced subject, including cryptography, in one interactive lab. An AI-assisted platform built entirely in Python, designed for students, researchers, and engineers. From simple 2-qubit circuits to 100-qubit fault-tolerant systems, pktron lets you build, simulate, analyze, and understand quantum systems. No real quantum hardware required. With an intelligent quantum assistant that explains every step, a simulation engine that runs circuits gate by gate, and a debugger that helps you fix errors in real time. Explore quantum finance, molecular chemistry, biological systems, and even cosmology, all in one unified lab. Simulate real-world noise, apply advanced error mitigation, and experiment with fault-tolerant quantum computing. Run all present, past, and future powerful quantum algorithms and simulations, including Grover's search, Shor's factoring, VQE, and HHL. Memory-safe, GPU-accelerated, and ready to run even on free Google Colab. Getting started is simple. Pip install pktron, PakTron AI Quantum Lab. You can run other real quantum backends as well on PakTron, and even convert your circuits. The future of quantum is here. Are you using it?